Welcome back, my people. It's been a while. I have not uploaded any food video, but today I said let me do this. It's new year. Let me give you a new tip. So something I just came up with. I said let me just quickly make this fast and easy recipe. So I am making this frozen shrimp and frozen vegetables. It came out delicious, guys. Honestly, you can't believe how simple things like this can just turn around to be one of the most delicious meal you have tasted. So I'm just adding all the edibles, my shrimp. I made sure that it's cooked and release all those juicy liquid that I wasn't going to throw away, which is the main nutrient, come to think of it. So I have to just shift, how do you say it, shift it sift it. Anyways, so I kept that nice juice aside. Then now I'm coming for the vegetables. I'm going to I used a lot of garlic for this meal. A lot. And I wanted that because garlic is very healthy. It's really good for our bloodstream. Okay, so if you are above there, in fact, there's no a particular age that you don't need garlic. It's really good. Anyways, so I'm frying my onion and garlic together. Then I am going to add turmeric. I'm adding some garlic, more garlic. This is powdered garlic. It's optional. If you don't want garlic, it is okay. You do not have to add the garlic, but this is what I'm using for this recipe today. So right now I am going to add my shrimp so that it can marinate very well into that ingredient that I'm just frying now, so they can all just come together as one family. Okay, then if you are wondering what that red thing is in the middle, it is pepper. Some people, they like pepper like another thing. Anyway, so now I'm adding my vegetables. So right now this is just green beans and little carrots, those small carrots. Then I now pour my juice that I put aside. I now pour it. Then I'll leave it to cook. Take the time to melt together, work together as one united family. The good thing about this my recipe now is you can use it to eat anything. You can use it to eat potato, you can use it to eat rice, you can eat it anyway. I hope you like this video. Anything you want to ask about this recipe, feel free to leave it in the comment section. If you want me to make something, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to do that. Thank you for watching. Try to follow this video for more simple recipes like this. Like this video and follow this page.